Hey guys, welcome back to FAMCO. My name is Miguel, manufacturing manager of the facility, and today we're going to talk about our newest product, the Make-Up Air Kit, also known as the Skuttle. This kit comes with two components, the damper and the intake vent. This product was highly requested by our customers in the Midwest. It is used to balance and adjust airflow in our commercial and residential HVAC systems. It does this to an air pressure activated damper. On the side you can see the weighted swing arm which would open when the system is activated. This allows fresh air in. The weights can be adjusted to the desired airflow to allow positive pressure within the home. If you live in a cold environment and are looking for a heavy-duty damper, we recommend the FAMCO Make-Up Air Kit. This product is quality constructed from 22 gauge galvanized steel. It includes a single 28 gauge blade damper. This damper is connected via ducting to our 6-inch screen intake vent. If you have any questions about this product, please visit our website at famcomfg.com or contact our sales team at sales@famcomfg.com. Thanks for watching.